First indicator on silver just hit the floor. Dealers say this. I just got back from my local dealer and he was showing me key indicators that he personally follows, telling him that silver is about to move in a big way. Check this out. Oh, if you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 silver eagles. Every month they hold this contest. It's free. It's fun. Click that link. Take home that silver. Now, check this out. This is the silver to gold ratio. And as of today, in July, the ratio stands around 92. And it's only hovered at this high point about 5 times since the pandemic. Yet relative to itself, it's actually starting to fall. This is what my dealer was showing me. Because a falling ratio, it often precedes silver rallying. Because capital starts to go in, people pull from gold, they go into silver, and we see a bump in silver price. So whenever we see a tightening, that's usually a big indicator for those in the game that silver is about to move. He also pointed this out to me, and I've never looked at this before. This is the CFTC Commitments of Traders. It's called COT. And this chart shows that, well, it's a weekly report, and it's showing how much speculative money is either long or short on silver futures. That's really the layman's understanding of what this means. Increased net long positions could suggest bullish sentiment among traders. And look what we're seeing. As of July 4th, we're seeing speculative net long stood at about 62,900 contracts, and that's up from 53,000. Even seeing that increase tells us that there's rising speculative interest on silver, and that often amplifies price momentum. Traders pile in. We get this feedback loop of people jumping in on silver, and it propels the price higher and higher until it really reaches a peak. That's how investors use these charts. This is why I always talk to older gentlemen that have been in this game for decades, much longer than I have, because they know how to look. They know what to follow. And many dealers, if you ask them, they have a specific indicator that they personally follow. So these two, the silver to gold ratio and that COT chart, I suggest you check it out on your own because it's really telling. They're both showing us that silver, and I've heard this for months now, if not the past year, silver is a sleeper. It's a product that is just sitting there. People don't understand the value of it, and it's about to explode. And now we're seeing this bullish momentum starting. We're even seeing it in the price. It's been slow. We're getting a steady momentum up, inching toward $37, going toward $38. It's momentum right now. These are the details that really give those in the game, these silver dealers, an idea that, oh, something's starting to move. Really watch closely. Well, get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for holding this contest. This is a great contest. 20 silver eagles. They're giving away 20 eagles every month. Click that link. Be the next winner on that list. Take home that silver. And I'll see you on the next one.